Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs. Guys, this video contains different type of stylized patterns of neckline embroidery, ranging from sideline neckline embroidery to different type of borderline embroidery, side motif designs, and more creative and beautiful patterns, ranging from simple to heavy type of embroidery patterns specifically designed for necklines. Different type of color combinations of floral embroidery patterns have been used of threads to give the embroidery a more creative and unique look. You can also use shaded or already dyed thread for giving multi-touch to your whole embroidery pattern, ranging into different shades of fabric color from lighter color tones to darker color tones have been shared, and even different type of thread embroidery like silky threads, shiny threads to moving towards some matte or flat anchor or DMC threads have been shared. I hope that all the beautiful, creative, and stylish elegant ideas would be serving you. The basic creativity and motive or purpose behind making videos or sharing designs is to share some up to the mark or recent trends of embroidery with the creators and with the lovers of hand embroidery. So I hope that you have liked all the creative and beautiful design ideas. Different type of botline embroidery designs could also be used for neckline embroidery, which are being shown to you onto your screens right now. Botline embroidery is a very beautiful and traditional concept which is in the trend from number of decades. So if you really like the designs and the video collection, then please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. If you have already subscribed, then subscribe on a number of other devices. Thank you so much for watching.